Sunset Trail, we got an issue. So, I can't believe it's happening again. Another problem with Sunset Trail. I did a 6-month review about Sunset. Told you guys how I liked it. Pros, cons. Probably check that video out. But this is why you gotta wait for the 1-year review. You gotta see our problem here. It keeps adding up, and I was close to even buying another one. Like, I mean, next month, me and D were probably gonna close the deal on a second Sunset. You're gonna have to see why I'm changing my mind right here, because I can't believe this is happening. First, hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up. We need all the help we can get. Let's try to get this video seen. Let's get it out there. Let's try to get about 25 to 35 thumbs up. A couple new members join the page and help us out.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
Hi. Welcome to Max Your Journey. My name's Alvin.
My name's Dana.
Thank you guys for joining us. Please hit the subscribe button to join the tribe and follow along for our camping adventures, journeys, and tips. All right, people. It's Max Your Journey, your favorite camping YouTube channel. But today is not all good news, as you saw from the intro. Sunset Trail has let us down again. Continuing issues. I did a 6-month review, and like I said, it's very important that you continue. We're not even a year in. I would think a year into a camper, then you might have issues after that. We're still in that first year, luckily, so hopefully the warranty can cover us on this issue we have. But let me just give you a little backstory real quick if you didn't see that other video. This is a 2020 Sunset Trail 289 QB. We had a 2019 that we got for our first ever Sunset Trail. Skip all the details, you can check that out in that video. It came out that 2019 model we had originally purchased and financed was defective. It had bad floor seals, and people all around the nation are continuing to have problems with them. The 2019s are terrible. So we thought they worked out all the kinks. The 2019 is not great. Maybe you had a great experience. Let us know in the comments, and you still love the 2019. Maybe you had the same issue. Let us know in the comments. Help us out, guys. Spread the word so it gets out there, whether it's good or bad. But personally, for us, Sunset Trail is letting me down again, unfortunately. This time, though, it's not the floor seals. This time, it is our cables. Check out what I mean. These cables right here. Look, first thing we notice, this rubber seal, yeah, that goes there. That rubber seal goes there. This one down here, as you can see, is already peeling. Do you think your slide tension cables are supposed to be like this? Guitar style? Absolutely not. Look at this. Look at this one. I'm gonna get you up there. Look. This one's hanging so much, it's not even no tin. Look at this. That causes that, hold on, causes that right up there to just rip. Once that starts ripping, you start getting water inside. That water drips right down to your floor. You may never, ever see it. That is an issue. That creates hidden water leaks that you might never catch. That's why you need to subscribe, because you can learn so much from other campers and RV people that you can save yourself problems. So luckily, I did and I do follow other people here on YouTube, and you learn so much, and on the Facebook groups also. So if you're not already following us on Instagram, check us out, Max Your Journey, and that way you can get knowledge and look out for these problem issues yourself. So luckily, I caught this soon. I think I did. I think I caught it soon. Let me show you the other side real quick. Walk with me real quick. I'm gonna show you the other side, how it's supposed to be. Okay, so if you look at these are tight. That same gesture does not work. Up here, it's not moving the whole thing. Those seals are still holding up, or those little plates right there are still holding up because they aren't loose. Now I'm gonna take you inside with the slide closed and show you some more things of how it looks different on both sides. Stay with me. Okay, as you see, I can hear a little difference on the one side over there. That's the problem side, the left side. This side is still fairly good, but I'm gonna walk around and show you the cables and the big difference. Let's get the slide all the way in. All right, so this is the problem area. You wanna come over here, and as you can see, this is the inside of that hole. It is not supposed to look like that. It's going to get worn out even more with this cable being so loose. That could be water leaking down in there and rotting your floors out. But I want to focus on, get this camera focused in on it. These cables right here, they go across. There's one on the other side, right over there. And there's this one right here. Now check out this. Hold on. Look at this. A lot of play going on here. It gets loose. And that's actually doing pretty good compared to before. But as you can see there. Now I'm going to show you the other side. The right side, the good side. Okay, I'm on the right side. As you can see, these cables right here go in and out, lightly greased. And then you see this little junction box right here. Now you're probably saying, look how tight that is. That's how they are supposed to be. This thing holds all the weight of the slide as it goes out. This system is supposed to be unique to these campers. And as you can see, this one is completely tight. You're probably saying, yeah, I could go up there and tighten them up on the other side. And I probably can. I can go do that. I can go do that. But the thing is, my slides are already ripped. They're already ripping on the outside. So you tell me, if you already paid thousands of dollars for your camper, you want it to be working fine. So this isn't a one-part thing. This is going to be a two-part video. We have to get this problem fixed. Hopefully it doesn't go into a three-part thing. So please stick around our channel, subscribe, hit that like button, and we're going to get down to the bottom of this, and I'm going to show you how to get that warranty, to get all this stuff covered. And quick. I do not play around with these people. That's why we got this camper completely free, as you saw in that other video. If not, go check it out and max your journey. Positive vibes your way. We're going to need it. Peace out.